Hey there guys, Chet here. Today I'm going to compare Shopify and Etsy, two popular platforms that help people sell products online, but in different ways. So by the end of this video, you'll understand how each one works, what they're best at, and which one is the better fit for your business. But before we get started, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check below for the 3-day Shopify free trial, plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get complete access to my Shopify course so you can set everything up with confidence. That's down in the description. Now let's get started. First off, let's start with the simple overview of both platforms. Shopify is a complete e-commerce platform that lets you build your own online store from the ground up. You get full control over your branding, your store design, your checkout, and your customer experience. Etsy, on the other hand, is a big online marketplace where buyers search for handmade items, digital products, crafts, and unique goods. Instead of building a full store, you create listings inside Etsy's marketplace and tap into the traffic that already exists there. Let's look at features. Shopify gives you everything you need to run a full business online. You can add unlimited products, track inventory, use discount codes, recover abandoned carts, and connect with thousands of apps to expand your store. You can customize your website however you want and build a long-term brand. Etsy focuses on listing products quickly and reaching customers who are already shopping on the platform. It's easy to create listings, add tags, get found in Etsy searches, and start selling right away. Etsy handles the traffic for you, which really is great for beginners who don't want to have to build an audience from scratch. Next up is the user experience. Shopify has a clean dashboard that organizes everything in one place, but because it offers so many tools, you might need a little time to get familiar with it. Once you understand the layout, it becomes simple to manage your store. Etsy's very beginner friendly. You can set up a shop fast and publish your first product really within just a few minutes. The marketplace layout makes everything straightforward, though you don't get the same level of control that Shopify gives. Now let's look at customization. Shopify lets you choose themes, edit layouts, change fonts, adjust colors, and build a store that's uniquely yours. It gives you the freedom to create your own style and brand identity. Etsy, though, is more limited. All Etsy shops follow a similar structure, and your store design will always look like an Etsy store. You can customize your banner and images, but you can't control the main layout. Shopify wins if what you want is a creative website. Etsy wins if you want something simple and fast. Now let's talk about integration capabilities. Shopify connects literally with thousands of apps for marketing, shipping, payments, inventory, and also automation. It's made for businesses that are ready to scale or want to grow. Etsy offers few integrations because the platform itself manages much of the shopping experience. It's simple, but less flexible. So which one do you choose? If you want to build your own design or your own brand, your own website, you want to grow a long-term business with full control, Shopify is the far better choice. But if you want a simple way to start selling handmade or digital items and take advantage of a marketplace full of buyers, Etsy is a great platform to begin with. Many sellers even use both, starting on Etsy and then expanding to Shopify once they want more control. All right, that's it for the video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.